हेलो एवरीवन। तो स्वागत है आप सबका अपने यूट्यूब चैनल मेहताज लर्निंग पे। आज हम देखने वाले हैं ह्यूमन न्यूट्रिशन का एक्सरसाइज ऑफ महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर ले और नोटिफिकेशन में ऑल के ऑप्शन को सिलेक्ट कर ले ताकि मेरे न्यू वीडियोस की जानकारी आप तक पहुंचती रहे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक, ह्यूमन न्यूट्रिशन का एक्सरसाइज। ह्यूमन न्यूट्रिशन का एक्सरसाइज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ए एसिना सेल आर प्रेजेंट इन, ऑप्शन है ए लीवर, बी पैनक्रियाज, सी गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड और डी है इंटेस्टिशियल ग्लैंड। तो इसका आंसर है पैनक्रियाज। बी विच टाइप ऑफ टीथ आर मैक्सिमम इन नंबर इन ह्यूमन बक्कल कैविटी, ऑप्शन है ए इंसिजर, बी कैनाइन्स, सी प्रीमोलर और डी मोलर। इसका आंसर है मोलर। सी सिलेक्ट ऑड वन आउट ऑफ द बेसिस ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव फंक्शन ऑफ टंग, ए है टेस्ट, बी सैलोविंग, सी टॉकिंग और डी मिक्सिंग ऑफ सलाइवा इन फूड। इसका आंसर है सी टॉकिंग। डी कंप्लीट द एनालॉजी। कंप्लीट द एनालॉजी। टैलिन इट इज द अमाइलेज, पेप्सिन इसका आएगा प्रोटीएज। ऑप्शन नंबर डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। ए फॉर द स्कूल एथलेटिक मीट, श्रेया was advised to consume either glucon D or fruit juice, but sugarcane juice is not. Why it is must be so? Answer is glucon D contains glucose that helps replenish body glucose and fills you with the energy required to stay active. It is easily absorbable by the body, thus giving out an instant energy boost and refreshment. B. Alcoholic people may suffer from liver disorder. Do you agree? Explain the answer. Answer: yes. Alcoholic people suffer from liver disorder when a person drinks alcohol heavily over the course of decades. The body starts to replace the liver healthy tissue with the scant tissue. Doctor calls this condition alcoholic liver cirrhosis. As the disease progresses and more of your healthy liver tissue is replaced with scar tissue, your liver will stop functioning properly. C. Digestive action of pepsin comes to the stop when food reaches small intestine. Justify. Answer: pepsin secreted by the stomach wall and is activated by the acid in stomach. Pepsin works best at the pH of 2, and as the stomach have a very acidic condition, pepsin work well. It is emptied into the duodenum part of small intestine along with partially digested food. The higher pH of useful after that of the duodenum, inactive pepsin, so it is does not do anything. D. Small intestine is very long and coiled. Even if we jump and run, why it is did not get twist that? What can happen if it get twist? Answer is even we jump and run, small intestine does not get twist because the mesentery attaches intestine to the wall of abdomen. It keeps intestine in place, preventing it from collapsing down into pelvic area. Question number 3, write down the explanation. Write down the explanation. A. Digestive enzymes are secreted at appropriate time in our body. How does it happen? Answer is the brain is controls central of the sensation of hunger and satiety. The functions of the digestive system are regulated through the neural and hormonal responses in reaction to the smell, sight or thought of food, like the like that shown in the first hormonal response is that salivation. The salivary glands secrete more saliva in response to the stimulus present by the food in preparation for digestion. Simultaneously, the stomach begins to produce hydrochloric acid to digest the food. Recall that the peristaltic movement of esophagus and their organ of the digestive tract are under the control of brain. The brain prepares these muscles for movement as well. When stomach is full, the part of the brain that detects salivary signals of fullness. Question number B. Explain the structure of food. Explain why human dentition is considered as trichodont, diphyodont and heterodont. The teeth are present. The teeth are the hardest substance in the human body. Besides being essential, include enamel, the hardest white outer part of the tooth. Enamel is mostly made of calcium phosphate, a rock hard mineral, dentin. A layer underlying the enamel. It is hard tissue that contains microscopic tubes. When the enamel is damaged, heat or cold can either the tooth enter the tooth through this part and cause sensitive or pain. Pulp, the softer living inner structure of teeth. Blood vessels and nerves run through the pulp of the teeth. Cementum, a layer of connective that binds the root of the teeth firmly to the gums and jawbone. Periodontal ligament, tissue that help hold the teeth tightly against the jaw. A normal adult human has 32 teeth, which except the wisdom teeth. Have erupted by about age 13. Incisor, 8 total. The middlemost 4 teeth on the upper and lower jaw. Canine, 4 total. The pointed teeth just outside the incisor. Premolar, 8 total. Teeth between the canines and molar. Molars, 8 total. Flat teeth in the ear of the mouth. Best at grinding food. Last, wisdom teeth or third molar, 4 total. These teeth erupt at around age 18 but are often surgically removed to prevent displacement of other teeth. The crown of each tooth projects into the mouth. The root of each tooth descends below the gum line into the jaw. Human dentition is described as trichodont, diphyodont and heterodont. Number 1. Trichodont dentition type because each tooth is fixed in the separate socket present in the jawbone by gamphasis type of joint. Diphyodont dentition type because in our lifetime we get only 2 set of teeth. Number 1 is milk teeth and second is permanent teeth. 3. Heterodont dentition type because we have 4 different type of teeth, hence we are heterodont. Question C. Explain heterocrine nature of pancreas with the help of histological structure. The pancreas is classified as the heterocrine gland because it contains both endocrine and both endocrine and exocrine glandular tissue. Exocrine pancreas. 2 major components, acinar cell and ducts. They constitute 80 to 90% of the pancreatic mass. 20 to 40 acinar cell collicular units called as acinas. Endocrine pancreas. It is made up of group of cells called islet of Langerhans. Accounts for only 2% of pancreatic mass. 4 major cell types: alpha, beta, delta. Alpha A. Cells secrete glucagon. B. Cells secrete insulin. Delta. Cells secrete somatostatin. For glucagon and insulin together control blood sugar level. Somatostatin hormone inhibits glucagon and insulin secretion. Question number 4. Write short note on A. Position and function of salivary gland. Number 1. Salivary gland are a group of organs present in our mouth and secrete saliva. It is found in mammal only. An endocrine gland which secretes substance outside the body or within a body cavity. 3. Saliva contains various chemicals with water including mucus, salts, antibacterial substances, enzymes and chemicals that control the pH in mouth. Salivary gland secrete 1 to 1.5 liter of saliva in 24 hours. In fact, our 99% of saliva is water. It keeps mouth moist and clean, facilitates chewing, swallowing and help in the digestion process. Function of salivary gland. Number 1. Whenever we chew, we activate these glands to secrete an enzyme to break down the food. 2. Saliva has lubricating properties. 3. It protects the inside cavity of our mouth, teeth and throat as we begin to swallow the food bolus. It also cleans the mouth after the meal and dissolves it into chemicals that perceive as taste. B. Jaundice. Write short on jaundice. Jaundice is a yellowish discoloration of the skin, mucous membrane and of the white of the eyes caused by elevated level of chemical bilirubin in the blood. Hyperbilirubinemia. Jaundice is typically seen when the level of bilirubin in the blood exceeds 2.5 to 3 mg/dl. That means milligram as deciliter per deciliter. Symptoms of jaundice: pale colored stools, dark colored urine, skin itching, nausea and vomiting, rectal bleeding, diarrhea, fever and chills, weakness, weight loss, loss of appetite, confusion, abdominal pain, headache, swelling of the legs, swelling and distension of the abdomen due to accumulation of fluid. Test and procedure to diagnose jaundice: liver blood test, complete blood count CBC, electronic spin, lipase level. Question number 5. Observe the diagram. This is histological structure of stomach. Identify and comment on significance of the layer marked by arrow. तो आपको एलिमेंट्री कैनल्स की वॉल्स के यहाँ पर नेम दिए लिखना है. एलिमेंट्री कैनल का आपको यहाँ पर डायग्राम दिया हुआ है. तो देखते हैं. नंबर 1. Glandular epithelium is the glandular epithelium type of epithelium tissue which of mucus cover the gland, both exocrine and endocrine of our body. The main function is to secrete mucus which lubricate the lumen of the alimentary canal. The movement of food is facilitated through glandular epithelium of mucosa. Question number 6. Find out pH maxima for salivary amylase C, trypsin, nucleotidase and pepsin and place on the given pH scale. तो आपको यहाँ पर 1 से 14 तक एक pH स्केल दिया हो जिसमें 1 सलाइवरी अमाइलेज का जो pH होता है वो होता है 6.8 दैट इज एसिडिक. ट्रिप्सिन 8.1 it is basic in nature. Nucleotidase 5.6 that is acidic in nature. Pepsin that is 2 and it is acidic in nature. pH maxima as on pH scale. Question number 7. Write down name of protein deficiency disorder and write symptoms of it. Kwashiorkor, that is Kwashiorkor, that is the name of protein. Its symptoms are children suffering from Kwashiorkor are underweight and show stunt growth. Number 2, poor brain development. Number 3, loss of appetite. Number 4, anemia. Number 5, producing belly. Number 6 is slender legs and bulging eyes. Number 7, edema of lower legs and face. Number 8, change in skin and hair color. Number 2 आपको दिया हुआ है. Number 2, marasmus. It is also a protein. Marasmus. Symptoms of marasmus. Inadequate diet impairs physical growth and retards mental development. Number 2, subient aneous fat disappears, ribs come prominent. Number 4, limbs become thin, skin becomes dry, thin and wrinkled. Number 5 is loss of weight. Digestion and absorption of food stops. It is the symptoms of marasmus protein. Question number 8. Observe the diagram given below and label the A, B, C, D, E and write the function of AC in detail. तो आपको यहाँ पर लीवर, स्टमक, डिओडिनम एक इतना पार्ट का आपको डायग्राम दिया हुआ है जिसमें ए है बाइल डक्ट, बी इज स्टमक, हेपेटिक डक्ट, गॉल ब्लैडर, डिओडिनम और पैनक्रियाज. ओके. अगर आपको इसका पीडीएफ चाहिए तो ज्वाइन कीजिए मेरे टेलीग्राम लिंक को जो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे रही हूँ. तो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, नोटिफिकेशन में ऑल के ऑप्शन को सिलेक्ट कर ले ताकि मेरे न्यू वीडियोस की जानकारी अब तक पहुंचती रहे. तो ओके फ्रेंड्स, बाय बाय. मिलते हैं ऐसे ही एक अगले वीडियो में. तो तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए.